Assalamualaikum students. How are you all, dear students? Hope you all are well. I'm your English teacher for class 1 from IYS school. Today our topic is vocabulary. Before starting the topic, I request everyone to keep book, pencil and notebook with you. If you want to ask any question, you can ask at the end by raising hand or by typing in the chat box. Whatever you will get as home task, all work will be done in the fair copy or the course book or in the workbook. Okay, the course book work will be done in the course book and workbook work will be done in the workbook. Okay, course book and workbook work will not be done in the copy. Okay, the course which you have got by the school, you must have English midterm 4-line copy. In English midterm 4-line copy, you have to do all work. Okay, we will have done today. But keep in your mind, workbook work will be done in the workbook and course book work will be done in the course book. Okay? There is no need to copy down workbook work in the copy. Okay? Or course book work in the copy. Okay? If there is any disconnectivity during lecture due to power breakdown, so you are not supposed to leave the meeting. You should try to join again after 5 or 10 minutes. So let's start our topic, vocabulary. Today our topic is vocabulary. In vocabulary, what we are going to learn? Sweet family. Okay? Sweet family. Keep in your mind, when we started our topic on Monday, we talked about the family members. We talked about the family members. How many family members do you have? Okay. For example, some people have grandparents. Some don't have grandparents. Live along with them. Some child or some children live with their parents or along with their grandparents. But some children, they don't live with their grandparents. Their grandparents live in another home, or sometimes they alive, sometimes they die. If we talk about the sweet family, in a sweet family, there must be a father, mother, boy, girl, yani brother or sister, and baby girl or baby boy. Okay, in sweet family. With grandparents, as we talked about, some students or some people live with their parents and some people live with their grandparents. Okay, they live with their grandparents, and some grandparents live in the another home or die or they alive. Sometimes they alive or sometimes they live in the another country. Okay, sometimes some people some children live with their parents in another country and their grandparents live in another country. Okay, here we have the here we have a picture in which grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, father, mother, and baby girl or baby boy. Okay, I'm repeating again. Here we have a picture in which we have a grandfather, grandmother, father, grandmother, brother, sister. Okay, if some boys live in your home, it means that he is your brother. Okay, he's your brother. If some boy is living with you and his parents are same like you, it means that he is your brother. Okay, and you are his sister. Okay, and here we have a baby boy. It could be a baby boy, it could be a baby girl. Okay, what is the relation between the boy and the girl who's living same at the house and they have a same parents? It means that they are siblings. It means that they are siblings. They have a same parents, they have a same grandparents, so it means that they are sibling, they are brother and sister. Okay, they are brother and sister. Here in this picture we can see the boy has the same parents, the girl has the same parents, the girl has the same grandparents, and the boy has the same grandparents. It means that they both are brother and sister. What is the relation between them? They are brother and sister. Okay. And what is the relation of this man and this woman have these kids? He is the father and she is the mother of this boy and the girl. Okay, the relation between them, they are parents and they are the children of them. Okay, and they are the grandparents means they are the father and the mother of your father. It means that he's the father of this man. He's the father of this man, and this man has two kids. It means that, and what is the relationship between this old man with these kids? What is the relationship between this man with two kids? Yes, they are the grandfather of these kids. He's the grandfather of these kids. The relation between this man to the boy and the girl is the grandfather of these children. Okay, these children. And what is the relation between this old lady to the this kids? Yes, she is the grandfather. She is the grandmother of these children. She is the grandfather of these children. Who's the grandmother? Who's the grandmother of these children? Yes, this old lady is the grandmother of these children. And what is the relation of this lady to these children? Yes, she is the mother of these children, and she is the daughter-in-law of these two old couples. Okay, this old lady and this old man. What is the relationship between this lady to this old man and woman? Yes, the relation between this old man and old lady to this young lady is she is the daughter-in-law. She is the daughter-in-law of this old man and this old woman. Okay, and what is the relationship between this young lady to this young man? Yes, the relationship between this young lady, this to the young young man is the she is the wife of this young man. She is the wife of this young man. The relationship between both of them is the husband and wife. Husband and wife. Okay, and what is the relationship of this old man to his old lady? Is they are the husband and wife. They are the husband and wife, and husband and wife, and they are and what is the relationship between this young man to the old man? Yes, old man is the father of this young man. Old man is the father of this young man. Okay, and these are the grandchildren of this old man. These are the grandchildren of this old man. Okay, these are the grandchildren of this old woman, and these are the children of this young lady. So we have this young couple. This one is the young couple, husband and wife, and he and she is the old couple. Okay, now let's have a look the happy family. What about the happy family? Happy family is the father, mother, sister, and brother. What is the relationship between this little girl to this little boy? Yes, the relationship between both of them is the they are the brother and sister. The relationship between them is the brother and sister. But how would you say that they are the brother and sisters? How would you know that they are the brother and sisters? Okay. How would we identify that they are the brother and sister? Maybe they are the friend because they have the same parents. Because they have the same parents, that's why they are the brother and sister. We cannot say that they are the friends because they have the same parents. If they have different parents, so we can say that they are the friends. But if they have the same parents, it means that they are they are siblings. Okay, they have same father, they have the same mother. That's why they are become siblings. Okay, they are become siblings. So we can say that here if we have the picture of happy family. Here is the mother, here is the father, and sister and brother. Okay, brother and sisters. Okay, in this picture, can you identify who is the father, who is the mother, who is the sister, who is the brother, and who is the pet? You know that where is the pet? Here we have the pet, dogs. Okay, yes, that's really good. He is the father. Just point out your finger on your screen. Okay, students? Yes, this is the mother. Yes, this is the sister. Yes, this is the brother. But how can you say that they are the brother and sister? Hmm? Exactly. Yes, we can identify they both are siblings because they have the same parents, they have the same mother, they have the same father. That's why they are siblings, they are brother and sisters. Okay, because they have the same father, they have the same mother. That's why they are brother and sisters. So we can see that this is a picture of happy family because we have the father, mother, sister, and brother. So we are blessed, Alhamdulillah, that we have a father, mother, and sisters and brother. Some children have, some children have father, mother, and happy family. But why we can't say that they are the happy family? Because they have the father, mother. Because if you think about that, some people they don't have mother, they have only the father. Can you say that they are the happy family? No. They sometimes, some in moments, some occasions, they definitely miss their mom. That's why we cannot say that they are the happy and the ideal family. The happy and the ideal family is if they have a father, mother, sister, and brothers. Okay, if we talk about the art text, okay, in art text writer don't have sister, don't have writer doesn't have sister, writer doesn't have a brother, but he doesn't feel lonely because he has lots of friends, but he has a father, but he has a mother. But according to the text, if we talk about the Sharifa, she doesn't have a father. That's why she feels very sad. Sometimes she feels very sad because definitely she missed her father. That's why she feels sad. If we talk about the text we read the story in our course book. Okay, I'm talking about our textbook story. The character Sharifa, she doesn't have a father, she missed her father, that's why she feels sad. And if we talk about the writer does not have a sister, does not have a brother, but he doesn't feel lonely because he has grandparents and he has parents and he has lots of friends. That's why he doesn't feel lonely. And and if you talk about the Malin, keep in your mind, students, we are talk about the text. Text we read day before yesterday. Okay, Malin's she lives with her mother and father and her grandmother. She has one brother and one sister. She has an ideal family. Okay, but if you talk about the Ron lives in number two. He has mother, father, and three younger brother. He doesn't live with his grandparents, but he has three younger brothers. Okay, and they are very often and noisy. And if you talk about the Martin, according to the text, remember, recall your memory. We read the text day before yesterday. My neighbors and I, page number 38. We read the story about the my neighbors and I. Martin lives in number 4. He lives with his mother and father. Okay, he has two older sisters. He doesn't have a brother, but he, uh, uh, but he, uh, but he likes telling jokes and he is very funny. So if we talk about the happy family, sweet family, so we must have a, ideal family like father, mother, and if we don't have a siblings, so it doesn't mean that they are not a happy family. But if someone does not have a father, it means that he doesn't have a happy family. If he doesn't if someone does not have a mother, it means that he is not enjoying a happy family. Okay, now let's move toward the healthy family. Okay, happy family, healthy family seem like this, that if you have a mother, father, if you have a siblings, you can enjoy your life in a very proper way. Now let's talk about the male and female. Okay, male and female. Gender of the nouns. Okay, grammatical gender is a system of noun classifications. A common gender classifications include masculine and feminine categories. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. But in according to our activities, we talk about the men and the girls, female. Okay, girls and male, girls and boys, female or male. Okay, we will talk about the humans. We will not talk about the female animals or male animals. Okay, so let's towards our topic, female. Okay, if we talk about our family, think about your family. In your family, who are the female members? Yes, great grandmother, mother, mom, cousin, niece, daughter, girl twins, girl sister. Grandmother means your mother's mother or your father's mother. Mother, your mother. Okay, just think over it about your family female members. Okay, who are the female members in your family? Mother, mom. You can say that mom, mama, whatever you call them, whatever you call her, mom, mama, ami, whatever. Okay, mother, mom. Cousin. Cousin means your uncle's daughter. Okay, your aunt's daughter. Okay, niece. What does it mean by niece? Niece means your brother's daughter, or your sister's daughter. Daughter, your sister's daughter. Daughter. That, for example, you are the daughter of your father. Huh? You are the female member of your family. If you are a boy, it means that you are the male member of your family. Girl twins. Okay, two girls, two twins, two girl sisters. If you have a sister, it means that she's a female member of your family. She's a female member of your family. Let's move towards our male members of your family. Think about it, your male member of your family. I'm showing you picture here. Grandfather, you can say that grandpa. Okay, father, daddy, dad, papa, whatever you call him. Okay, brother, nephew. What does it mean by nephew? Nephew means your brother's son, your sister's son. Cousins means your uncle's son, your aunt's son. Okay, brother-in-law. What does it mean by brother-in-law? It means that your sister's husband. Your sister's husband. Okay? Grandfather, uncle. Uncle means father's father's brother or your mother's brother. Okay? Father-in-law, father-in-law, baby boy, twins boy. Okay? Let's move towards our family members. Our family members. I'm showing you the picture about the family members, but you should think about your family members. How many family members you have? Okay. Number one, grandfather, grandmother. If your grandfather and grandmother are living with you, so you can count them. Okay. If they are living in another home, so you cannot count. Okay, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt. Okay, uncle means your your father's brother, your father's brother or your mother's brother. Okay, aunt, your father's sister or your mother's sister. Okay, cousin, uncle and aunt's son. Cousin girl means uncle and aunt's daughter. Daughter, you are the daughter of your father, and your sister is the daughter of your father. Okay, son. If you are a son, means if your brother is the son of your father, your brother is the son of your father, and if you are a boy, it means that you are the son of your father, and if you are a girl, it means that your brother is the your brother is the son of your father. Wife and husband. Okay? Wife and husband, like your mother or father, they are the spouse, they are the wife and husband. Okay? Now, let's move towards our course book exercise. Let's have a look at page number 40, course book vocabulary. Here, color this picture of the family members of a family. Color this picture. Students, you have to color it, but do it very neat and clean. And keep in your mind the vocabulary work, page number 40. Course book work will be done in the course book. Okay? It will not be done in the copy. Family members can be male or female. Can be male or female. Male or female, that we have understood about the male and the female gender. Who are the male members of your family? Who are the female members of your family? And you are categorized in which you are standing in which category, male or female. If you are a boy, it means that you are standing in a male category. If you are a girl, it means that you are standing in a female category. Okay, here we have husband, wife means father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother, and sister. Okay, so you can color it and enjoy this picture. Let's move towards the activity of the course book, page number 40. Okay, who are the male members of your family? Who are the female members? Write their names in the correct columns. Male. In your male means grandfather, but you will not write grandfather, you will not write grandfather in, you will write the your grandfather's name. What will you do? You will write your grandfather's name in the male. Okay, here female, female. Okay, in female what you will write? You will write your grandmother's name. Good. What you will do? You will write your grandmother's name, whatever your grandmother's name. For example, my grandfather's name is Samad, Abdul Majid. Okay, so I will write Abdul Majid in the male column. Okay, here I will write the Abdul Majid because my grandfather name is Abdul Majid. So I will write it. My grandfather name is over here. My grandmother name is Zainab Bibi. So I will write grandmother's name over here. Whatever your grandmother's name, you will write over here. Whatever your grandmother's name is, you will write over here. Okay, student? Next, father. What is your father name? Yes, you will write your father's name over here. For example, my father name is Zafar Iqbal, so I will write my father's name in this bracket. Okay. Next, brother. Whatever your brother name, you will write in the bracket your brother's name. Okay. Mother. Whatever your mother's name, you will write over here. Sister. Whatever your sister's name is, you will write over here. Let's move towards the home task workbook activity. Okay. Today's our home task is workbook activity. Let's have a look. Page number 17 in workbook activity. Brother, match the names of the family members with the pictures. What you will do? Match the names of the family members with the pictures. Brother, mother, sister, grandfather, father, grandmother. In these pictures, you can see who's the grandmother, who's the grandfather. Okay, definitely this picture doesn't look like a grandmother. It is the picture of a sister. Yes, so you will match the sister with her. You will like this. You will match the sister to the this one. Okay, same like this. You will do the who's the brother. This picture does not look like a grandfather or a father. It looks like a young boy. So you will match this picture to the brother. Okay, match the column, match the brother to this picture. Okay, sister, brother, and mother. Let's find out where is the mother. This picture looks like a mother. Okay, young lady. This is looking like a young lady. So we will match this picture to the mother. And grandfather, who's looking like a grandfather? Yes, old man, because he's looking old man, and old man is a grandfather. That's why we will match this column to the this one. Okay, students, and grandmother. Let's find out who's the grandmother in this picture. Yes, this old woman. This old woman is looking like a grandmother. She doesn't look like a young lady. This picture, she doesn't look like a young lady. She doesn't look like a young girl. She's looking like an old woman. That's why we will match this old woman to the grandmother. We will match to the old lady to the grandmother. Okay, students, you have to match the columns. Okay, keep in your mind, students, this work will be done in the workbook. There is no need to copy down this work in the copy. No, you will do this work in the workbook. Okay, there is no need to copy down this work in the copy. Okay, students, this work will be done in the workbook. Home task. Okay, let's remind our activities what we have done today. What we have done today, students? We have done vocabulary. We have done what we have done today. Yes, we have done male, female, members of our family, member of family, healthy family, happy family. Let's have a short look of your what we have done today. Vocabulary. Okay, in a sweet family, we have a sweet family: father, mother, uh, brother, sisters, and baby boy or baby girl. With grandparents, some people live with their some children live with their grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and three and siblings. And happy family: father, mother, sisters, and brother. And healthy family. Okay, male and female character of your family. Gender of the nouns, we understood about the gender of noun today's lecture. Female, who are the female member of your family? Mother, what we call them, mom, mama, whatever, cousin, niece, daughter, girl, twin, girls, and sisters. And male member of our family: grandpa, grandfather, daddy, brother, nephew, cousins, uncle, father-in-law, twin baby, and baby boy. Okay, family members: grandfather, grandmother, father, brother, uncle, aunt, cousins. daughter, son, and we have done post book exercise today. Page number 40, vocabulary. You have to do very neat and clean colors, okay, in your course book. Keep in your mind, course book work will be done in the course book, not in the copy. There is no need to write it in the copy. Okay. Who are the male members of your family? Who are the female members? Write their names in the correct columns. You will not write grandfather. You will write your grandfather's name over here. Okay. You will write grandmother's name over here. You will write father's name over here, brother's name over here, your mother's name over here, and if you have a sister, so you will write your sister's name over here. And what is our home task? Home task workbook activity. Okay, today our workbook activity, we will do page number 17 as a home task, and we have understood what we have to do in the workbook. Keep in your mind, do this work in the workbook. Okay, there is no need to do this work in the copy. This work will be done in the workbook. Okay, match the columns: brother, mother, sister, grandfather, father, and grandmother. And these pictures you can see, so you can match these pictures to the these ones. Okay, this this young lady does not look like a grandmother. She's a young lady, so if she could be the mother, so match the this one to the mother. Okay, students, this is all from my side. I hope you understood what we have done today. Okay, stay home, stay safe at your home, and do work practice, and do very neat and clean work. And Allah Hafiz from my side.